Actually, friends, we have discussed the topic of the ama, Agnimanda, the digestive fire. Imagine there is a vehicle and the engine of the vehicle is the ama and engine of the actually friend we have discussed the topic the digestive fire ama. Imagine there is a vehicle, there is a car, and in the car the engine is the digestive system. Engine represents the fire, that is the agni, and the fuel in the car represents the food. So when the fuel in the car there is a good quality, the engine will runs good and the car will runs the destination. That is the if we take the proper food, proper nutrition, proper diet, then the car will reach the destination and the engine also work. But if we take the poor quality of the fuel, the very poor and very low quality of the fuel, then car may not reach the destination, or maybe the reach the destination, but the definitely the engine of the car, that is the digestive system, is affected badly due to the poor quality of the fuel. That the fuel represents the ama and the food. Hence same things here we can relate. When we take the poor quality of the food, poor quality of the ama, there the digestive system will be affected badly. So this is the things. When the ama in the digestive system, it is easy to be clear. But when the ama is the like the cellular level in the srotas, then it is very difficult to clear. So think like that in the big city, the vehicles moving in the city are like the nutritions, and the on the path that are the srotas. But if we take the big, that is the garbage, big garbage on the road of the city, main road of the city, and the car will be the stuck, there will be the disruptions in the city and in the traffics there. So same the condition if the ama and if the toxic substance in the stomach, so same conditions happen, there is a improper, there is a digestion. But the very worst thing even happen if the garbage in the streets of the city, the small streets of the city and whole city is the filled with the garbage, then it is very difficult to clear that the garbage as compared to the main road. That is the we have to clean the all the small streets garbage rather than the clear the garbage from the main road. Same things happen if the ama and if the toxic substance enters into the srotas, enters into the cellular level of the body, then it is very difficult to clean it, to clear it as compared to our main digestive system. So we have to put that all the toxic substance into our here the main beam, and from the it we can clear by the omitting and by the shaman shodhan, whatever the process. So it is like that. There are the digestive process, the three main, the madhur pak, when we actually ingest the food, when we take on food, the universal blinds you can imagine that converts into the madhur rasa, that is the sweet, that when it mixes with the salivary gland, it converts into the madhur rasa. We can also imagine when it goes to the stomach, it converts into the madhur rasa. There is a universal blinders that converts all the food into the madhur rasa. And after the madhur rasa, when it goes after the stomach, it goes the food towards the intestine. In intestine there is a grani, there is a duodenum, and in the duodenum there is a bile duct. As things there is a dish, and after the dish prepare, we actually the script the lemon to increase the taste. That is the amla rasa. The lemon represents the amla rasa. After the madhur rasa, the bile duct secretes in the grani, that is the duodenum, and that secretes the amla rasa. After the amla rasa, when it secretes, there is a katu rasa. In the intestine, there is a katu rasa that absorbs all the nutrients and eliminates through the waste. There is. So think like that. There is actually the tea preparation and the tea brewed. So during the tea brewed, all the tastes are actually within the liquid, and there is a tea powder that is the extracted that is the waste tea powder is like the mala, think like that. So it is all the comparison. In the grani there is ama, is a toxic substance that is the sticky, and it sticks on the wall of the grahani, that is the duodenum. So it is very important to clear this, the ama. And the other thing is, if he goes during the exercise and if he starts with the heavy exercise, then we can injure. There are the chances to injure if we do the heavy exercise in the starting, the lots of the exercise and heavy the exercise in the starting. But if you do the small steps during the starting and then goes to bigger and bigger, then it is more beneficial. The same thing if there is agni and we put the lots of the heaviness of the food, and it is chances to the offs the fire. If we starts from the smaller thing with a day, and then bigger and then the biggest, then the agni is like the, if the smaller takes the agni puts on the fire, agni fires up. If we put the as compared to the bigger, then fires up, and the agni will be fire well. So here it is the role of the agni and all the about the agni. Thank you.